Hello everyone! I recently did a book review of Manga Action Furries. Well, I decided to follow along the step-by-step from the book and I chose the Great White Shark character. Why did I choose the shark over all the others in this book? Well, I love sharks. They are super cool and need to survive. Stop killing them. Also, love to die with them someday before I die. I also gathered some reference of a great white because the book doesn't use colors and I wanted to use colors. The base sketch for the character was easy to follow. Next step is when I start to hit problems. I think I mentioned in the review that I think 4-step guide is too little, that info get lost. Well, it did. In the book they mentioned that there should be like 8 fins total, but I could only count to 6, so where the other 2 went is unknown for me. Also, one of the fins are indicated is more of behind the leg, but next step is on the side, so little confusion in the guide for little me. But once I figured it out, it all went well. The line art and color stage went smooth. But then came the next little hassle for me. That was the shadows. When look on the guide, it felt like the shadow was not right. Like the artist just put it there, light coming from every angle possible. So I struggled a little here until I started to realize how it would work. I did not want to go too far off from the guide, otherwise this video will be no-go. Subscribe to my newsletter and follow me on social media to stay up to date on my latest creation. And don't forget to share your own work in the Discord community. When it comes to the light source, I had to think about it myself, because the book is in black and white and no colors at all. Did use warm light, but saw right away it will not work, so I made it cool and put it in where the light should probably hit if this guide had colors. Overall, the step-by-step in this book is not super bad. It works if you just put your time into it. They give you small pointers along the way, but that Finn's pointer was just odd when you did not even follow it themselves. Right? If you get this book to follow the step to learn how to draw these furries, I would say why not? I think you can learn from it. Until next video, happy drawing!